Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Here we go. We got another set of cab lights coming in. I'm going to show you guys what these beautiful trucks look like without them and how they look with them. We're going to make them look a lot better, of course, like always. That's what we do here. So on this one, we're going to wrap these here with our vinyl wrap. We're gonna add the stock cab lights on it, the GMC parts. Now on this one, the customer did bring me his own lights. We're adding the Boost Auto. This is a beautiful truck as well here. Let me go show you. Well, right now he doesn't have the lights, as you can see. Neither does this one. We are gonna compare the stock lights versus the aftermarket lights, okay? Here we got Boost Auto with their sequential. And here we have the original GM parts here. Genuine parts. All right. Man, my camera's having a hard time focusing, huh? And like always, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna be doing these on here. So see how these have like this, like clear look to it? Like, I mean, like it's got a cover. You can still see the LEDs, but it's got this cover, right? That just kind of makes them look a little bit different. So I know they light up differently. So we're gonna compare, guys. I'm gonna hopefully pull off both of those trucks before I end the video. I just wanted to show you guys these here. All right, so the customer's also got the module, and I've made the mistake on installing these before. You got right hand and then you got left hand. So make sure if you're installing these to install them correctly. They got the wiring harness. They got the wiring harness for the truck as well. This is a beautiful brand new truck. What I like about this truck right here, fellas, is this front grille. I love this black chrome look to it. I don't know what it's called exactly, but I love that color. On the 1987 Monte Carlo that I built, I was trying to look for somebody to do this. I can't find nobody to do it. So if you guys have any recommendations, hit me up, let me know. I'm still trying to get them done. Beautiful truck. It's got a nice lift. The customer already did a few modifications. He replaced these. He replaced the mirrors. One thing that I like, okay, I've done the chrome delete before, and the customer said he found these whole covers online for like 40-50 bucks. So if you're wrapping these, you're wasting your time. Just get them replaced if it's that cheap. And then he replaced the lights himself. Well, guys, let me go ahead and get started on this job. I don't want to bore you guys with all that nonsense, but just giving you guys some information on these cap lights here, okay? And I've already done a couple of them. I still keep on losing track of how many I've done, but believe me, I've done plenty of them to get them perfectly. And if you don't want nobody messing with your truck, you can bring it on down to Deed's Garage. I can tell you that this customer said he went to 2 other spots, and they said, one of them was like, we can try it. The other one was like, we can try it, but they're not 100% sure. I'm not gonna tell you I can try it. I'm gonna tell you I can do it. All right, guys, so check this out. The Boost Auto does have a little bit better foam back, but we're also added silicone. We primered our holes Now we're just gonna go ahead and install it. Look at that. Perfect fit all the time. Fellas, I can't tell you enough. I've done these plenty of times to know exactly where they need to be. We're gonna tap into a few wires here. Let's see which ones they are. Ooh, 550. All right, let's go. Check this out. We just wrapped up the GMC here. This is what it looks like with the cab lights. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show you real quick. Let me get a little close-up look, okay? Now, this is what I don't like about these lights here. Is that you can see the LED. I don't know how to explain it, but it just looks a little different for me. Also, I added a smoked film to these here. As you guys seen earlier when I showed you the cab lights, they just looked white, so I added a smoked film to the lights, so that way it can look all blacked out. And it's going to give you a smoke look on the sides. But there it is, done deal.